Ever have your wife give that stinking feeling when your car makes a weird noise and she asks you what it is, and you have no idea what it is? So you tell her to just turn the radio up? Well, at Carolina Automotive Center, 345 NC 42 West Ahoskie NC, we're offering a 120-point inspection for just $85. Keep your engine purring with Carolina Automotive Center. With so much on your mind these days, car ownership can be a hassle, so we help take the guesswork out of it all. Our service technicians will check over your car top to bottom and inside and out to give you the best advice and peace of mind. Carolina Automotive Center will check everything from your engine to your brakes, steering, and electrical systems. Carolina Automotive Center has a new addition to our service. We now offer a free CarFax report in addition to our 120-point vehicle inspection. We look forward to you getting a free CarFax report at Carolina Automotive Center. Carolina Automotive Center offers a 120-point vehicle inspection. Each 120-point inspection now includes a free CarFax report. Do you want to stay informed on your used car buying or selling journey? Well, Carolina Automotive Center wants to know, and they have a great way for you to do just that. Are you buying or selling a car? Do you want to know its history? Here is a great way to do that. Well, whether you're hitting the beach or the backcountry, the experts at Carolina Automotive Center are here to help you with your summer road trip. We want to try and help give you that peace of mind in about 45 minutes for just $85. Because knowing your family is safe, well, that's just priceless. Carolina Automotive Center, 345 NC 42 West Ahoskie, North Carolina. Call for your appointment today. 2523-332-3385.